international student enrollment are really down.
Ito raw ang napansin ni Sheena De La Torre, presidente ng Quantum Polytechnic University Pinoy Club at KPU Student Ambassador.
Parang for example, ako nga on the convocation, before there were like 12 convocations that are happening, but when I attended last week, like as a student senator in the platform party, there were only a total of 7 convocations.
Mula sa pagpasok niya sa Canada bilang international student noong 2024 hanggang ngayon 2026, kapansin-pansin din daw ang pagbaba ng bilang ng mga kurso at programa sa universidad.
The schedule that we have. So there are like fewer courses that are offered. Like previously in one course, there were like 3 schedules that are offered. But for me, like I don't have any choice.
Martes, nagbigay ng pahayag ang Quantum Polytechnic University na magkakaroon sila ng staff layoff sa mga unionized na manggagawa. Sa isang staff email, sinabi ng presidente ng KPU, inahasahan daw na bababa ang kita mula sa kanilang international tuition fees ng $49 million sa fiscal year ng 2026. Sa 2027, inaasahan din daw ng universidad ang pagbaba ng international student revenue ng $88 million.
There are like budget warnings during Senate and committee meetings that I'm involved with. So it didn't surprise me in such a way because I feel like I kind of expect because of the budget constraints and the discussions that we had.
Bilang student ambassador, part-time na empleyado ng KPU, si De La Torre.
As a student senator, I know how the staff at KPU really support and provide services to students, international students at that.
Sa immigration levels plan ng gobyerno ng Canada, nag-ulat ang IRCC na ibinaba nila ng 61% ang bilang ng mga international students sa Canada sa 2025 kumpara noong 2024 at may dagdag na pagbabawas pang pinaplano.
I feel that international students really brings a lot of essential revenue, not just to KPU because I'm studying here, but to all like Canadian post-secondary school. And we bring diverse perspective and enrich the classroom discussions. And we bring a lot of perspective in terms of volunteering.
Ang international students na nandito na sa bansa, nag-aalala raw ayon kay De La Torre para sa kanilang kinabukasan.
And if government can help us in terms of having a more stable PR pathways for international students, that would bring comfort and that would bring more international students to feel welcome again in Canada.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Surrey.